student nurse of Our Lady Fatima University Pampanga campus. Today we will doing a hot and cold compress, and first I will be doing cold compress first, and first I will be identify the patient. Good afternoon, sir. I am may I know your name, birthday, and age? Okay. Okay. Can I check your ID band? Okay. Next, I will be checking the doctor's order. Okay. I can see naman na you have sprain of your left hand. And next, I will be doing vital signs. Ano yun po? After that, after we're doing vital signs, I will provide privacy of the patient, and I already closed the door. And next, I will explaining the procedure. Sir, makaka-feel po kayo ng discomfort dahil ito po ay malamig, dahil lalagyan po natin ng cold compress yung hand nyo po, and then I will perform hand hygiene. And put the gloves. Then, can I check your left hand po? Okay, I can see na po na meron po kayong sprain. And, pwede po natin dito. And, lalagyan na po natin ng cold compress. Can you paki-rate po if gaano po kasakit? Out of 10? Okay. Lalagay ko na po. Pahinga na po natin. Malamig po ba? Lang po. After that, lagay po natin sa bibig. Okay, I will be removing the gloves. And perform from hand hygiene. Okay, check ko lang po ulit. If masakit na po ba, pakirate po if hindi na po masakit. Out of 10 po.
3 out of 10.
Okay. Sabihin niyo na lang po ako if meron po kayong na-feel po na discomfort po ulit. Thank you sa cooperation po. Okay, next I will be doing a hot compress. Since nasabi na po ng patient na yung yung age niya, yung name niya, and yung birthday niya, we will doing hot compress na po, and I will be verifying the doctor's order. Okay. Meron, I can see po na meron po kayong wound sa right hand po. Kine-check po. Okay. Today, I will be hand hygiene ulit. Today, I will be doing a hot compress. I will explain the procedure. Sir, makakapil po kayo ng discomfort po dito dahil po ito po ay mainit at medyo mapapasok po ng konti yung hand niyo po. Okay, lagyan na po natin ng pillow po para mas comfortable po. Okay, and nalagay ko na po. Ito na lang po natin. Mainit po ito. And I will remove the gloves and hand hygiene. Okay, sir. Just let me know po if